All right, today we're going to be talking about how you can move rows around in Excel. All right, so here we just have some data. We have different product names, the cost, sales price, and the margin on those products. And so I'm going to be showing you how you can move those rows around without messing things up. So typically, if you select a row and you try to move it, it's going to ask if you want to replace that data, right? So it's going to delete what was there before if you move it to something that already has data. So in order to avoid that, what you do is, so here we have products 1 through 6. Obviously these products are out of order, so let's move that order around. So what we can do is, well, we need product 3, we want it to be up here. So what we do is we hit shift and then hover over this row until you get this 4 arrow cursor, right? So here's the plus sign, here's the 4 arrows, right? So then you can click on that and it will let you drag this row and place it where the cursor is. So if we'll go ahead and let go, it's going to place that on row 3 without deleting anything. So again, all you do is select the row, shift, click, and then you can kind of move that around. All right, so there we have it in order. Now you can also do this with multiple rows. So let's say I wanted to move all 3 of these rows. Shift click, I can move that up or down. Let's just move it up 1, and there you have it. So just a pretty simple way on how you can move rows around in Excel without deleting the data that's already there. And before you go, please subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.